Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of VBuilds. Today is day 15 of our Scorpio challenge and we are done with the wrap. So today we'll be working on the small highlights that we have all over the car. So let's begin. Let's start with the front face. So I'll install the number plate first. I should have done this installation before installing the bumper because the place where I had to install the screws was quite difficult to reach and I got a lot of cuts while doing it. But yeah, anyhow, I managed to install it somehow. And then moving on to the grill. For the grill, some of the holes lined up properly as it is, but for some I had to make extra holes, and after doing that just bolt it on. Next, here the lower part of the front bumper is actually silver in S11, so I am going to install the sticker paper right here. But the problem is sticker paper is not like vinyl, so it is not that stretchable, so it can only be pasted on flat surfaces, and it had a lot of creases while I was trying to paste it here. I tried stickering but it didn't look that good, so next is paint. So I'm gonna paint it now. This is how it looks now, but we'll see after removing the masking tapes later. Meanwhile, let's paint this also in black because it looks very dull. Look at the pretty face. It should be dry by now, so let's take off the masking tape. Check this out. The front face is looking pretty neat, and even this one looks like new, the one that we painted this trim. Now let's install this side cladding. There are some buttons missing. Some of those we got from the old claddings, but some of these I need to install new. Now the cladding is ready to be installed. So the problem is the holes didn't actually line up. The old holes are a little bit lower and the new ones are a little bit higher. So I'll have to make new holes just right above these, I think around 2 inches higher, and then we'll be able to install our cladding. Let's try installing it, see if we are able to line up the holes or not. Hopefully it does line up. So some of the buttons did break in the process while I was banging it on, but the cladding is sticking perfectly, no gaps, so that's good. And these are handle chromes, and these are just some minor touches which will make our car look more pretty. So you just have to install it by removing the double-sided tape and just putting it on like this. Done. Easy install. Oh, nice. For the alloys, I'm not changing as of now, so I'll just paint them black, shiny black. Look at this, the left side is complete, everything is done, the claddings are looking beautiful, right? And now we can move on to installing, I mean on the back, to installing the backlights. So right here I have made the connections already. So my car is turned on and the headlights are also on, so that's why the you can see that tail lights are already on. Now this I did just to make sure that it is working throughout when I install it. Now for installing, it's quite easy. It just sticks in place using two bolts, and those two bolts are, you just remove a back trim, which I have showed in previous videos. You just remove that trim and you can reach those bolts. Quite tricky, but you can, not that difficult also. You just install those two bolts and this tail light sits right in place. Easy installation and pretty nice, it looks good. Backlight is done. Now let's install the door handle, and it's quite easy. It just slides in like that, and we need to make some fittings from the inside, which I'll show you later. Check this out. Installing the wiper, but yeah, I need a rubber to be fit here before I install the wiper. Okay, for the wipers, I had to make a hole, and as I told you already, this was a top model, so it is already working. It's not a dummy, and we just install the wiper with a bolt. There, it's done. Next, we chrome. Good thing is this chrome also has a camera in it. Done. Okay. Next up is the quarter glass trims. Paint them black. इसलिए बोलते हैं मास्किंग अच्छे से करनी चाहिए. चलो, ये तो बच गया. Second. And there goes the second backlight, fits right in there. Let's put on the bolts. Everything is going pretty smooth. Here is the front right side cladding. Let's install it. Front cladding is done, and now there's this last cladding for the passenger door on the right side, and then we'll be done with the cladding. Let's install it. There goes the last cladding. Let's go. There's a little bit of space crunch on this side, but I'll manage somehow. And then I had to do the same process of making few more holes 2 inches up from the previous holes, and now this cladding will sit right in place, so we can install it easily with the buttons. And final one. Here, look, yeah. That's it. And the back quarter glass is tinted black, looking good. Lol. Now we are left with these roof liners. Why should we leave them like it? Let's just paint them as well. Esquivari. So my plan was to paint the footsteps black, but I just washed them and they are a bit wet. So meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll wrap the roof. That's the only part left where we did not wrap it in the previous videos. So now why to leave it as well. Here is the big piece of wrap which I'm going to use for the roof. And I thought about it a lot, and turns out it would be very difficult to install this whole piece as is on the roof, because the roof is a bit not reachable as well. So what I decided is I will wrap it in three pieces. So I cut the whole wrap into three pieces, three same size pieces, and then I am going to wrap it in three separate places. So here the obstacles was this roof railing. So if you see, the roof railing is in the way of wrapping the roof. So there was one way to remove the roof railing first and then do the wrap, but then I thought that if I remove it, maybe the bolts are already rusted so bad that if I try to install it again, it won't be possible, or I'll have to buy new bolts or something like that. So instead I decided to just keep them on place and make a cut in the wrap and then just put the wrap on. It doesn't look so bad. And the other way was to paste the roof railing on the roof, but it doesn't work because the roof railings fly away. So I decided to go along with these drains that you see, the drains on the roof, and I cut it in three pieces and install it like this. And there was a small leaking from the antenna. uh, uh, it was leaking water inside earlier, so I put some putty in there and blocked the hole also. So that is another problem that we were able to fix. And now the wrap is almost done in three pieces, and it doesn't look so bad. It looks good actually. It is not visible also. Ready? Mark. Let's go. एक ही जगह मत खड़ रहना, थोड़ा आगे पीछे आ जाना।
अरे हाँ
वीडियो मत रोकना।
ठीक है, चलो चलो।
Wow, so happy. And our Scorpio build is done, and finally after 15 days and 70,000 rupees I have converted the Scorpio 2006 CRDI model into Classic in 2024, and I'm so happy today. Ta-da! So leave a comment, let me know if you like this series or not. People already asked me if this is a new car or I have dented painted it, so that means our project is successful. Tada!
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.